Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic8 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and first of all, actually make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. So in the settings we can scroll all the way down to find System and Updates, and then tap on Backup and Restore. First of all, tap on Backup to Google, and tap on this switcher to turn on this option. Go back and tap on Backup Account. Tap on it. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password. So just do it and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so we are able to use 15 GB of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Your device will back up the data automatically, stored securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On to finish, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, which means that our data will be right now stored there. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.